Hello dear students, myself CMA Padmaja Buzruk. I will be continuing with the topic Financial Statements of Profit Oriented Organizations. Go to study note number 3, Preparation of Financial Statements of Profit Oriented Organizations. I will be discussing illustrations covering bad debts, provision for bad debts, and provision for discount on debtors. Illustration 1, Prepare bad debts account, provision for bad debts account by both the methods from the following information and also profit and loss account and balance sheet. As per first method, bad debts are transferred to profit and loss account, and as per second method, bad debts are transferred to provision for bad debts account. Entry for bad debts is bad debts to sundry debtors, and as per first method, these bad debts are transferred to profit and loss account, profit and loss account debit to bad debts, and as per second method, provision for bad debts account debit to bad debts. 1112 provision for bad debts 5000. Opening balance of provision for bad debts 5000. On 31st December 12 bad debts return of 3000. Sundry debtors 1,25,000. On 31st December 13 bad debts return of 2500. Sundry debtors 1 lakh. Provision for doubtful debts to be provided at 5% for 2012 and 2.5% for 2013. Debtors as on 31st December 12 are 1,25,000. 5% of 1,25,000 is provision for doubtful debts for the year ended 12, and 2.5% of 1 lakh will be provision for doubtful debts for the year ended 2013. Provision for bad debts account by balance brought down 5,000. Just now we have seen 31st December 12, 5% of 1,25,000 is the provision to balance carried down 6250, and the balance will get transferred to profit and loss account. Balancing figure by profit and loss account 1250. Now 2012 closing balance is 2013 opening balance. On 1113 buy balance brought down 6250. To balance carried down 2.5% of 1 lakh is the provision for the year 2013. By balance carried down 2500. Difference balancing figure will get transferred to profit and loss account. To profit and loss account 3750. This is balancing figure. If you see bad debts account, bad debts for the year 2012 are 3000. To sundry debtors 3000. By profit and loss account 3000. For the year 2013, to sundry debtors 2500. By profit and loss account 2500. This is the first method. As per first method, bad debts account is closed by transferring it to profit and loss account. Profit and loss account extract for the year 2012, bad debts 3000 and provision for bad debts for the year 2012. Opening provision is 5000, closing provision is 6250. Closing provision is more, so difference is to be debited to profit and loss account. To provision for bad debts 6250 minus 5000 1250. Profit and loss account extract for the year ended 31st December 13. Two bad debts profit and loss account debit 2500. For the year 2013, opening provision is 6250, closing provision is 2500. Opening provision is more, so difference is to be credited to profit and loss account, and it is 3750. 2750 is printing mistake. Balance sheet extract as at 31st December 12, debtors 1,25,000 minus provision for bad debts 5% of debtors 6250. Net figure is 1,18,750. Balance sheet extract as at 31st December 13, debtors 1 lakh minus provision for bad debts 2.5% of debtors 2500. Net figure is 97,500. This was first method. Now we'll see second method. As per second method, bad debts account is closed by transferring it to provision for bad debts account. 31st December 12 to sundry debtors 3000 by provision for bad debts transfer 3000. Now provision for bad debts account by balance brought down 5000 to bad debts 3000. This got transferred to balance carried down 6250. We have seen this 5% of 1,25,000. By profit and loss account, balancing figure 4250 will get transferred to profit and loss account. This 4250 is including bad debts. Second year, 31st December 13, two sundry debtors 2500 by provision for bad debts transfer 2500. Closing provision for 2012 is opening provision for 2013. So by balance brought down 6250 to bad debts account 2500 to balance carried down 2500 2.5% on 1 lakh 1250 to profit and loss account. This will get transferred to profit and loss account 1250. So this 1250 includes both bad debts as well as provision. Profit and loss account extracts. To bad debts 3000 for the year 2012. To provision for bad debts new minus old 1250. Total is 4250. So if you see provision for bad debts account, total 4250 is transferred to profit and loss account. This includes bad debts. So you can show this breakup as bad debts and provision for bad debts, or directly you can write as to provision for bad debts 4250. Profit and loss account extract for the year ended 31st December 13 to bad debts 2500 by provision for bad debts account 6250 minus 2500 3750. You can show this separately, or 3750 minus 2500 1250. Here this is balancing figure. Directly to the profit and loss account credit, you can write this amount 1250 as by provision for bad debts 1250, which includes bad debts also. The balance sheet under this method will be similar to first method stated above. So as per first method and second method, balance sheet is same. That is the reason why it has not been prepared. Second illustration, on 1/1/13, the balance of provision for doubtful debt was 5000. Opening provision for doubtful debt 5000. Bad debts during the year 900. Sundry debtors as on 31st December 13 stood 40,400. Out of these, debtors of 400 are bad and cannot be realized. The provision for doubtful debt is to be raised to 5% on debtors. Show necessary ledger account and balance sheet. These are the bad debts during the year. So this figure 40,400, which is on 31st December 13, which includes this 900. Already bad debts have been deducted 900 from this. Now from 40,400 you are supposed to deduct 400, and on the net figure calculate 5% provision. This is the new provision, closing provision. 5,000 is the opening provision, old provision. Bad debts account to balance brought down 900 to sundry debtors 400 by provision for bad debts account 1300. Provision for bad debts account by balance brought down 5000 2 bad debts 1300, this is getting transferred here. 2 balance carried down 2000, this is nothing but 40,400 are debtors. Out of that 400 are bad. So 5% of 40,000 is 2000. This is closing provision by balance carried down. Now this is balancing figures 1700, which will get transferred to profit and loss account. Sundry debtors account, 2 balance brought down 40,400, by bad debts account 400, by balance carried down 40,000. Profit and loss account extract for the year ended 31st December 13. Bad debts 900 plus additional bad debts 400, 1300 to debit of profit and loss account, and provision for bad debts account. Old provision is 5,000, new provision is 2,000, old provision is more, so difference will be credited to profit and loss account as 3,000. 3,000 profit and loss account credit, 1,300 profit and loss account debit. Net effect is 1,700, which you have got it as a balancing figure in provision for bad debts account. So 1,700 net effect is profit and loss account credit. Balance sheet extract as at 31st December 13, debtors 40,400 minus bad debts 400 less provision for bad debts 5% of 40,000, 2,000, net figure is 38,000. Now we'll see illustration third. On 1/4/12, Messrs. Singh brothers had a provision for bad debts of 6,500 against their book debts. Book debts means debtors. Opening provision for bad debts 6,500. During 12/13, 4,200 proved irrecoverable, that is, they are bad, and it was desired to maintain provision for bad debts at 4% on debtors, which stood 1,95,000 before writing off bad debts. So this 1,95,000 debtors figure is before writing these 4,200 bad debts. So from 1,95,000 you are supposed to deduct bad debts first and then only find out provision for bad debts, 4% of the balancing figure. They also decided to maintain a provision for discount on debtors at 2%, show provision for bad debts account, provision for discount on debtors account as it would appear in the books of the firm in the year 2012. First, see the working note. Debtors 1,95,000 less bad debts 4,200, net figure is 1,90,800. On that, RDD is worked out at 4%, reserve 7632. If you deduct 7632, you will get net figure 1,83,168. On that, you are supposed to work out reserve for discount on debtors at 2%, which is 3663. So after deducting reserve for discount on debtors net balance is 1,79,505. In the books of so and so, provision for bad debts account, by balance brought down 6,500, to balance carried down 7632. Just now I have shown you working note 7632. To bad debts 4,200. Why? Because bad debts are 4,200. It gets transferred to provision for bad debts account, and the balancing figure will get transferred to profit and loss account. By profit and loss account, this is balancing figure 5332. Provision for discount on debtors account, by balance brought down nil, opening balance is not given, to balance carried down 3663. Just now we have seen working note, reserve for discount on debtors 3663. So by profit and loss account, further provision required 3663. This is to be transferred to profit and loss account. This is the balance figure. Illustration 4. A company maintains its reserve for bad debts at 5% and reserve for discount on debtors at 2%. This is very important. RDD is 5% and discount on debtors is 2%. 2012 and 2013 bad debts 800, 1500, discount allowed 1200 and 500. Sundry debtors before providing all bad debts and discount amounted to 60,000 on 31st December 12 and 42,000 on 31st December 13 before providing bad debts and discount. These are the debtors figures before providing bad debts and discount. That means from debtors deduct bad debts, deduct discount and then work out reserve for bad debts and reserve for discount on debtors. On 1112, reserve for bad debts and reserve for discount on debtors had a balance of 4550 and 800 respectively. This is opening balance 4550 for RDD and 800 for reserve for discount on debtors. Show reserve for bad debts and reserve for discount on debtors account. For the year 2012, debtors are 60,000, less bad debts 800, less discount allowed 1200, net figure is 58,000. 5% of 58,000 is RDD reserves, which is 2,900. Net figure after deducting 2,900 is 55,100. On that, work out 2% reserve for discount on debtors, which is 1102. So net debtors figure after deducting reserve for discount on debtors is 53,998 for the year 2012. For the year 2013, debtors are given 42,000, bad debts 1,500, discount allowed is 500, net figure is 40,000. On 40,000, 5% RDD is 2,000. After deducting 2,000, net figure is 38,000. 2% of 38,000 is reserved for discount on debtors, which is 760. Net debtors balance after reserve for discount on debtors is 37,420. In the books of so and so, reserve for bad debts account, buy balance brought down 4550, which is given. To bad debts account 800, bad debts are 800. To balance carried down, just now I have told you, balance carried down 2,900, closing provision. So to profit and loss account, this is balancing figure. Buy balance brought down 2,900. 2012 closing is 2013 opening. To balance carried down 2,000, we have seen working note. 2,000 is the balance closing provision. Balance carried down 2,000, balance brought down 2,900. Bad debts for the year 2013 1,500. This is balancing figure to be transferred to profit and loss account. Reserve for discount on debtors, buy balance brought down 800, it is given. To discount allowed for year 2012 is 1,200. To balance carried down 1102, working note I have shown this 1102. Closing provision. Buy profit and loss account, this is balancing figure to be transferred to profit and loss account. For the year 2013, buy balance brought down 1102. 2012 closing is 2013 opening 1102. To balance carried down 760. I have shown you the working note 760. To discount allowed 500 is given. Buy profit and loss account 158. This is balancing figure to be transferred to profit and loss account. Now go to illustration 5. On 31st December 12, sundry debtors and provision for doubtful debts are 50,000 and 5,000 respectively. During the year 2013, 3,000 are bad and written off. On 30/9/13, an amount of 400 was received on account of debt which was written off as bad last year on 31st December 13. So earlier it was written off as bad debts, now they have recovered. So 400 is recovery of bad debts. This is income to be credited to profit and loss account. The debtors left was verified and it was found that sundry debtors stood in the books were 40,000, out of which a customer, Mr. X, who owed 800 was to be written off as bad. Out of 40,000, 800 is bad. Prepare bad debts account, provision for doubtful debts account, assuming that same percentage should be maintained for provision of doubtful debt as it was on 31st December 12. They have not given you percentage of provision for doubtful debt, but same percentage should be maintained which was in the year 31st December 12. 31st December 12 percentage is not given, we'll find out. Sundry debtors were 50,000 and provision for doubtful debts was 5,000. If sundry debtors are 100, what will be the provision for doubtful debts? Therefore, provision for doubtful debts are 10% of sundry debtors. So 10% of sundry debtors are provision for doubtful debts for the year 2013 also. Bad debts account, 2 sundry debtors, 3000 to X 400, 800, sorry, these are additional bad debts. This will get transferred to provision for bad debts account 3800. Buy balance brought down 5000, this is given. To bad debts account 3800, just now we have seen this, bad debt get transferred to provision for bad debts account. To balance carried down 3920, this is nothing but 10% of 39,200. Why 39,200? Debtors are 40,000, 800 are bad, 40,000 minus 800, 39,200, 10%. Just now we have seen provision for doubtful debts is 10% of debtors. So 3920 is closing provision. Balancing figure is to be transferred to profit and loss account. By profit and loss account, provision required 2720 is the balancing figure. Profit and loss account extract for the year ended 31st December 12. By bad debts recovered account 400. Provision for bad debts, old is 5000, new is 3920, old is more, so difference is to be credited to profit and loss account 1080. To bad debts 3800, it is not 3400, 3800. Balance sheet extract, debtors 40,000 minus bad debts 800, 39,200 less provision for bad debts at the rate of 10%. So 3920 net figure is 35,280. Page number 212, question number 4. On 1st April 13, the balance of provision for bad and doubtful debts was 13,000. Opening provision is 13,000. The bad debts during the year 13-14 were 9,500. Sundry debtors as on 31st March 14 stood 3,25,000. Out of these debtors, 2,500 are bad and cannot be realized. 31st March 14, debtors are 3,25,000. Out of that, 2,500 are bad debts. Provision for bad and doubtful debts is to be raised at 5% on sundry debtors. Pass necessary adjustment entries for bad debts and its provision on 31st March 14. Prepare necessary ledger accounts, show relevant items in profit and loss account and balance sheet. Answer is given. Do this, all the 3 sub questions. See whether you get the answer. I have prepared working notes for you. Just go through the working notes. Sundry debtor 3,25,000 minus bad debts 2,500. Net figure is 322,500. RDD is 5%. So it is 16,125. So debtors balance is 3,06,375. Provision for doubtful debts account, balance brought down 13,000. Balance carried down 16,125. Just now we have worked out. To bad debts 12,000. Why 12,000? Because 9,500 plus 2,500 is 12,000. By profit and loss account 15,125. This is balancing figure. Next question on the same page, question number 5. On 31st December 2014, sundry debtors and provision for bad debts stood at 60,000 and 4,500 respectively. During the year 2015, bad debts amounting to 3460 were written off. On 30th June 15, an amount of 240 was received on account of date written off as bad last year. So 240 is recovery of bad debts. It is to be credited to profit and loss account. Debtor list on 31st December 15 was verified and it was found that among sundry debtors amounting to 40,680, Sri Becharam, who owed 680, was to be written off as bad. So out of 40,680, 680 are bad. It was decided to maintain the provision for bad debts at the same percentage as it was on 31st December 14, same percentage. Prepare bad debts account, provision for bad debts account, and also show how relevant items would appear in profit and loss account and balance sheet. Now in the answer, provision for bad debts, they have given as on 31st March, it is wrong. It should be 31st December 15, and make this change, sundry debtors as on 31st December 15. I will show you working note so you can do it on your own. Sundry debtors 40,680 minus bad debts 680. Balance is 40,000. RDD is 7.5% of 40,000 is 3,000. So debtors balance is 37,000. Why 7.5%? Sundry debtors are 60,000. Provision for doubtful debts is 4,500. For 100 sundry debtors, what will be the provision for doubtful debts? So provision for doubtful debts 7.5% of sundry debtors. Provision for bad debts account balance to be transferred to debit of profit and loss account is 2640. So profit and loss account debit 2640, profit and loss account credit, bad debt recovered 240. Provision for doubtful debts account balance brought down 4500, balance carried down 3000, just now we have seen. To bad debts account 4140, by profit and loss account balancing figure 2640. So see here, answer they have given 2400. Just now I have shown you working note. 2640 profit and loss debit, 240 bad debts recovered profit and loss credit. So net effect 2640 minus 240 they are showing in the answer. But you are not supposed to write the net effect. You are supposed to show like this only. Try doing this question also. In this particular video, we have seen illustration covering bad debts, provision for bad debts, provision for discount on debtors, and recovery of bad debts. Thank you.